Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders, and if you're ordering a door sweep, or quite frankly any weather stripping, by all means, if you need a custom size, or if you want it specifically cut to a size that will better assist you and your installation, let us know. Order the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what net length you'd like for us to supply the item to. There are a couple of images here showing the potential pitfall of ordering something and then cutting it wrong. Allow the factory to cut it to length for you, avoiding having a seam practically in the middle of the door, which is both unsightly and obviously quite ineffective at being a door sweep, the continuous length of the door, regardless of manufacturer, regardless of whether it's going to be a door sweep, a piece of perimeter gasketing, possibly a threshold. Let us know. We'll cut it to length for you. Just order the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in that comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning really is this. The factory's cutting, in most cases, whichever manufacturer, from incredibly long extrusions, 14 feet, something like that. Whether they're cutting it for you at 36 inch, which probably would never work for a 3-foot door, or they're cutting it at 35 3/4 or 35 13/16. It does not matter to them. They're literally making it from much longer lengths, whether it be, any piece of weather stripping, really. Happily be able to do that. The advantage is, not only do you save the time of cutting the material to length, you save the risk of error, and you are getting something that's going to allow you to make quicker work of all of your installations. The factory is getting the order from us with that net length. We are, in many instances, double checking the material before it leaves, so there's more eyes on it being sent out absolutely correct. Another byproduct of ordering it the proper size, in many cases, if you had a 4-foot door sweep or threshold or header for door weather stripping, when you cut off, let's say you had to cut it to 42 inch, when you cut that much off, you will be eliminating the first screw, countersink, or slotted hole from the end. You're then not only cutting it, trimming it, but drilling and sometimes countersinking a hole for that first location from the end. Your centers would not be, of course, uniform, which may or may not make a difference. But I've seen countless failed installations of weather stripping where the screw was not properly prepared in the piece, especially thresholds. I've seen numerous thresholds where there was simply just a hole drilled down into it and then a flathead screw has been placed into it. A lot of forces are on a threshold, a lot of forces pushing it down, a lot of lateral forces, and that screw is being pushed this way and it's being pushed this way. Avoid the trouble. Give yourself a better chance at a long-lasting installation. Allow us to ship you the product exactly at the length that you want. It in no way affects lead time, and it doesn't affect cost because weather stripping in general is sold per foot. So in that 4-foot example, and you need it at 42 inch, quite frankly, you're paying for a 4-foot length anyway because the material is sold and priced per foot. My name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders, and if you have any questions on weather stripping, thresholds, door sweeps, or how to order a custom length, by all means let us know. Feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.